current casting process still could not avoid overflow and burr from happening on random places along the parting line and gates. Even the surface roughness is not always ideal. Complicated shapes of casting part are also difficult for designing post-treatment automation. DSA Integrated Automatic Robot Deburring and Grinding System is your best post-treatment solution. Synchronized virtual and reality integration. It is able to simulate post-treatment for various casted parts and apply for production directly. Capable of coping with complex shaped parts. Lower time consumption between treatment stops. Improve efficiency. With additional DSA TCP auto calibration system, it could enhance the synchronicity of offline compiling for robots. By requirement, it could also implement automatic sandpaper replacing system. Using AI estimating consumable lifetime, reducing waste. Ensuring more consistent processing quality at the same time. Collaborated with Robotmaster automatic path generating system, effectively reducing path composing time for engineers. Multiple deburring and grinding tools for optional application are provided. Paired with SMB collecting machine info. Stay updated with live production line and machine status, anytime, anywhere. Making production automated and smart. Service. Innovation. Technology. Science. The expert of production optimization, automation, and intelligentization. Da Shang Automation.